Illuminating Traditions. The Splendor of Diwali in India. A festival of lights. Each year, as the moon begins to fade, a vibrant explosion of colors and sounds fills the air across India. The streets come alive, adorned with thousands of twinkling lights and colorful decorations. This beautiful sight signals the arrival of Diwali, the festival of lights celebrated by millions. But what makes this festival so special? At the heart of Diwali lies the story of triumph over darkness. It celebrates the victory of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravana, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Houses and businesses brightly illuminate their doorways with oil lamps called diyas, symbolizing hope and joy. But the reasons for celebrating may vary across different regions and cultures within India. Festivities across India. In the north, families honor this sacred festival with grand feasts and fireworks. The excitement is palpable as children run through the streets, marveling at dazzling displays in the sky. In contrast, southern celebrations may include rituals dedicated to goddess Lakshmi, the deity of wealth and prosperity. People clean their homes thoroughly, believing that a clean space invites blessings. The regional differences highlight India's diverse culture. From the glittering markets of Delhi to the serene temples of Tamil Nadu, Diwali unites everyone in a spirit of joy. But the real magic lies in the heartwarming stories and memories shared during the festival. The sweet taste of tradition. One of the most delightful aspects of Diwali is the food. Families prepare a variety of sweets known as mithai to share with friends and loved ones. These treats come in various shapes, flavors, and colors. Sweets like laddus, barfis, and jalebis bring joy to all who indulge in them. But many do not know that the act of sharing these sweets symbolizes the sharing of love and happiness. Traditionally, families exchange parcels of sweets, strengthening friendships and community bonds. But did you know that there are regional specialties that add even more flavor and significance? For instance, in Bengal, a popular sweet is called rasgulla, made from cheese and soaked in syrup. This unique treat showcases the rich culinary diversity of India during this festive occasion. Rituals and customs. As the festival progresses, rituals take center stage. Many families perform a special prayer called puja, thanking the deities for their blessings. Items like rice, flowers, and fruits are offered as symbolic gestures that reflect gratitude. This deep-rooted tradition reinforces faith and positive energy in homes. In some regions, people also make intricate rangoli designs at their doorsteps. These colorful patterns are created using colored powders, rice, or flowers. They are not just visually appealing. Each design carries its own significance and is believed to invite positive energies into the home. But what about the belief that rangoli keeps negativity at bay? Sparks of celebration. When darkness envelops the night sky, the true spectacle begins. Fireworks illuminate the atmosphere with their brilliant colors and loud sounds. Families gather to enjoy these displays, creating memories that last a lifetime. However, amidst the celebration, there exists a debate about the environmental impact of firecrackers. Many advocate for eco-friendly celebrations now, highlighting the significance of reducing pollution. Some communities even organize events that allow people to enjoy the beauty of Diwali fireworks without harming the environment. A fresh perspective is changing how celebrations are viewed, merging age-old traditions with modern sensibilities. Community and togetherness. In many neighborhoods, Diwali is not just a festival, but a community affair. People come together to light lamps, share meals, and celebrate. It strengthens bonds and fosters unity. Local organizations may arrange events, bringing everyone together to partake in cultural performances such as dance and music. This feeling of togetherness is the essence of Diwali. It transcends age, gender, and background, allowing everyone to celebrate as one. As evening falls, the joy of community becomes palpable, with laughter echoing through the streets. What greater joy could there be than sharing these moments with those around you? A modern twist on tradition. With the rise of technology, Diwali is also embracing modern trends. Social media platforms see an influx of festive greetings and pictures. Families living abroad find joy in connecting with loved ones back home through virtual celebrations. This cultural bridge has created new ways to keep traditions alive, even from afar. Yet, amidst these advancements, some argue that the core values of Diwali can become diluted. The balance between tradition and modernity is a delicate one. While it is wonderful to adapt to the times, the essence of the festival should always remain. How do you think traditions evolve in today's fast-paced world? Many people believe that the heart of a festival lies in its customs and rituals. But a little-known secret is that the most significant part of Diwali is the personal connections and memories created. It's not just about lamps and sweets. It's about stories shared and laughter heard. Reflections and resilience. As Diwali comes to a close, reflections take place. Families remember how far they have come, honoring those they have lost and celebrating their achievements. This festival is not just about lights, but resilience, hope, and renewal. It serves as a reminder that even in the darkest times, light can find its way through. The essence of Diwali can inspire anyone, regardless of their background. It teaches the importance of kindness and unity, values that resonate universally. As people all around the world celebrate their unique traditions, the spirit of Diwali remains a guiding light. Have you ever experienced a festival that brought your community together? How did it affect your personal connections with others?